Introducing the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R TWS Earbuds, featuring up to 54 hours of playback. Enjoy 2-mic clear calls, 3D spatial audio, AI translation, and dual device connectivity. These best-selling in-ear headphones have earned 4.2 out of 5 stars, with over 20,000 units bought in the past month. The Nord Buds 3R are available at a discounted price, with EMI starting at just $137 per month. Experience our longest battery life ever, offering up to 54 hours of music playback. Just 10 minutes of fast charging provides 8 hours of music. These earbuds feature 12.4mm titanium-coated drivers for deeper bass and clear details. They also offer fixed spatial audio for OnePlus smartphone users. Enjoy crystal-clear calls with 2-mic AI call noise cancellation and an anti-wind design, preserving voice clarity and suppressing dynamic noise and wind interference. The earbuds offer AI translation via your OnePlus phone, dual connection to 2 devices simultaneously, and Google Fast Pair for simplified pairing, featuring Bluetooth 5.4 for faster transmission and high-quality audio. The 47 milliseconds low latency provides a better experience for gaming. Customers report good sound quality, a secure fit, and positive battery life. However, some mixed results on connectivity have been noted.